Hey, what's up you guys, it's Emma. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a holiday Christmas inspired glam look. So this would be a look that you could wear. So this would be a look that you could wear to a Christmas party or event or to a family Christmas, depending on how glam you go for family. And you know, pretty much just a look you can wear anytime you want to wear this look. I guess let's just get right into it then. So as usual, I'm going to start with a concealer and priming my eyelids, and I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Almond. I actually just bought this not too long ago, and honestly, really liking it so far. So next I am going to set that with my Peach Perfect Too Faced setting powder. That smells so good that I want to eat it, but we're not going to because it's probably not that healthy. Okay, so surprise, today I'm not going to use my Sephora tape. I am just going to go right into the shade Creme Brulee by Makeup Geek, and I am just putting this in the crease and doing windshield wiper like motions. I'm going to be taking the shade Cypress Umber right here, this dark brown, out of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance. And I am going to be using my Makeup Geek Outer V brush, and I'm just going to be popping that on my outer V and on my inner corner. Oh my god. Why are you loud only when I film? Anyways, on my outer V and on my inner corner. And I'm kind of dragging that toward Luna! Oh my god! Alright, I'm back. I just put Luna outside because the only time she wanted to make noise was when I was filming, so that's a problem. Alright, now that I'm out of breath from walking 5 steps to the door, I am going to put this Cypress Umber shade, dragging it in my crease and putting it in the inner corner. And making sure to leave that center part of my eyelid open so I can create the halo. Alright, and then I'm just going into that lighter brown shade that I use for my crease, Creme Brulee, and I'm just blending out the edges of the Cypress Umber. Now I'm going back into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance, and I'm going into the shade here called Primavera, and it is a gold shimmer shade. So I'm going to be taking a flat shader brush just to pack that onto the center of my eye where I left open. Alright, so once that is packed on, I'm going to be taking that blending brush again that I used for the Creme Brulee and dipping into it a little bit, blending out the spots where the gold and the dark brown meet, just so that it's not such a harsh line. Now I'm taking the Urban Decay Heavy Metal glitter in the shade Midnight Cowboy, and I am going over top of the gold that I just put on with this glitter. Alright, so that is basically the completed eyelid. So I am going to finish my other eye and then I'll be right back to do the rest of my... I'm back. I finished the other eye and I am going to get right into my face now. I'm going to go in with my foundation, and I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in the shade 170. I haven't used this in a hot minute, so let's pray that it's the right shade. And I'm just buffing that into my skin. And I just got my eyebrows waxed, so if my makeup doesn't stick to my eyebrows, that's why. In with the shade Almond in the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. And then I'm going to set that with the Too Faced Born This Way Peach Setting Powder. Okay, literally no makeup stuck to my forehead. I don't know if you can see that, but it's rough. Moving on. I'm going to go in, oh Jesus fucking Christ, I swear I drop something in every video. Okay, anyways, going into the Kat Von D Shade and Light, and I'm using this lightest color right here. And on my forehead. Alright, next we're going to bronze, and I'm going to be using this little baby hula that I got for 100 points at Sephora. Next, moving on to blush, I'm going to be using the Tarte Amazonian Clay in the shade Party, and I'm just taking that on the apples of my cheeks and dragging back. Next, I'm going to be highlighting, and I'm going to be taking the Becca, if I can open it, the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Opal, and I'm just going to be popping that on my cheekbones. A bit on my nose, and Cupid's bow. I'm also going to use this to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone, just using like a little smudge brush. I'm going to quickly finish off my lower lash line by going into the shade Creme Brulee and starting off with that. And then I'm going to go back into that dark brown shade, the Cypress Umber, using a small shadow brush and just starting on the outer corner with a light hand and making my way in, leaving the center of the eye open. And you're also going to take that dark brown and putting it on the inner corner as well, just leaving that center open so we can put gold there. So then I'm going to take that Primavera shade in the Anastasia Beverly Hills and drag it along the center of the lower lash line. And then I'm going to go back into the Midnight Cowboy glitter, and I'm going to put that right in the center. Alright, so then I'm going to be taking this hard candy Kajal Supreme Eyeliner Duo. I don't know how to say that, but I'm going to be taking the Kajal side, this crayon, and I'm going to be putting that in my waterline. Okay, last I am going to be doing my brows, and I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Taupe. Oh my god, Luna! Stop. Alright, so I am going to pop on some mascara, and then I'll be back to do my lips. I'm just using the Lash Sensational by Maybelline, but I feel like you guys know how to put on mascara, so I won't make you watch me do it. Okay, so to finish off, I'm going to be doing my lips in this nice, pretty plum color. And I'm going to be lining it first with the Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in the shade Plum Passion. As Luna's drinking her water. Literally, she's so noisy. Okay, and just lining. Okay, so I love how that didn't really do anything, but you know what? We're just gonna go with it. Okay, like, don't buy this. Maybe it's just old. I think maybe it's old. Alright, so I'm gonna be using a liquid lipstick. This is by Lime Life by Alcone Enduring Lip Color, and this is in the shade Sugar Plum. And I'm just gonna be popping that on really quick here. Let's see how well I can do this on camera, because I never do lipstick on camera. Oh no. Well, let me just fix that. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful for future reference if you want to do this or not. You can really wear this anywhere, anytime you want. I really like the bold lip and the glitter on the eyes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more content. I had a lipstick on my teeth. Subscribe if you want to see more content from me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye!